If you're like most people, your home is likely one of your most significant investments. That is why it is essential to have the right home insurance coverage to protect that investment. But what does all of that insurance jargon mean? Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom channel. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. This video will discuss home insurance coverage explained full. This video post will help to break down the different types of home insurance coverage and what they protect. So whether you're looking for your first policy or are just curious about what is out there, keep watching for an explanation of home insurance coverage terms. What is home insurance? So first things first, let's start with what home insurance is. It's an agreement between you and an insurance company where they agree to pay for certain damages or losses that might occur to your home. Home insurance is vital for every homeowner. Home insurance is essential for every homeowner. It is necessary because it provides peace of mind in knowing that one's home is protected against financial loss. Home insurance covers the dwelling, personal property, and liability in the event of a loss. Home insurance protects against fire, theft, and vandalism. Home insurance also covers the cost of living expenses if the home is uninhabitable due to the covered loss. There are different types of home insurance policies. Home insurance policies typically cover four perils: fire, windstorm, theft, and liability. Homeowners insurance also may cover certain natural disasters such as hurricanes and earthquakes. Flood damage usually is not covered under homeowners insurance policies, but it can be purchased as a separate policy. Homeowners insurance generally does not cover damage caused by routine maintenance or wear and tear. There are three types of homeowners insurance coverage: actual cash value, replacement cost, and extended replacement cost value. Homeowners insurance covers your home and its contents in the event of a covered peril. Homeowners insurance also provides you with liability protection against lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage that you or members of your family cause to other people. In most states, lenders require you to purchase homeowners insurance to get a mortgage. Actual cash value is coverage that will reimburse you for the value of your home when damaged, minus any depreciation. While actual cash value coverage is typically less expensive than replacement cost coverage, it may not provide enough protection if your home needs to be rebuilt. For example, if a fire destroys your home, actual cash value coverage would reimburse you for the cost of your rebuilding your home minus the value of the land it sits on. Replacement cost coverage, on the other hand, pays to repair or replace your damaged property without deducting for depreciation. So, if your 5-year-old television is stolen, your insurer will reimburse you for the cost of buying a new one. Home insurance also covers liability, which can help protect you financially if someone is injured on your property. Extended replacement cost coverage typically pays out a bit more than replacement cost value coverage, as it factors in the increased cost of materials and labor over time. However, both types of coverage will provide you with the funds you need to repair or replace your home in the event of damage. What's covered under a standard home insurance policy? This home insurance coverage explained that it could sometimes be confusing. Home insurance policies differ in the coverages they provide and how much each type of coverage costs. Most home insurance policies provide four main types of coverage: dwelling coverage, other structures coverage, personal property coverage, and liability coverage. Dwelling coverage is the foundation of a home insurance policy. It helps pay to repair or rebuild your home if it's damaged by a covered event, such as fire, windstorm, hail, water damage, or excluding flooding, and certain types of theft. Other structure coverage helps pay to repair or rebuild structures on your property that are not attached to your homes, such as a detached garage or fence. Personal property coverage helps pay to repair or replace your belongings if they're damaged, destroyed, or stolen in a covered event. Liability coverage protects from lawsuits alleging that you or someone in your household caused bodily injury or property damage to others. Home insurance policies typically also provide loss of use coverage, which helps reimburse you for additional living expenses if you have to live elsewhere temporarily. In contrast, your home is being repaired or rebuilt after a covered event. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. How much does home insurance cost? Home insurance coverage explained that the cost of homeowners insurance depends on the value of the home, the location of the house, the type of home, and the amount of coverage. Homeowners who live in high-risk areas, such as coastal areas or areas prone to floods or earthquakes, may pay more for their coverage. Homeowners with more extensive coverage, such as replacement cost or personal liability coverage, may also pay more for their policy. Homeowners can save money on their homeowner's insurance by shopping around for the best deal and making their home more resistant to damage, such as installing a security system or smoke detectors. How do you file a claim? Most home insurance policies have a deductible, which you must pay out of pocket before your insurance policy kicks in. Home insurance claims can be filed online, over the phone, or in person with your insurance agent. When filing a claim, you will need to provide information about the incident, including the date, time, location, description of the damage, and other relevant details. You will also need to submit a proof of loss form, which is a document that describes the damage and the lists the replacement cost of your possessions. Once your claim is filed, an adjuster will be assigned to investigate and determine the extent of the damage and the amount you are eligible to receive. What are the most common claims made on home insurance policies? The most common type of home insurance claim is for wind and hail damage, followed by water damage claims, claims for fire and smoke damage, and claims for theft or vandalism. Homeowners can take steps to prevent some types of damage, such as by installing storm shutters or flood barriers, but it's impossible to eliminate all risks. Tips for lowering your home insurance premiums. Home insurance premiums can be expensive, but there are ways to lower the cost of your coverage. One way to do this is to understand the different types of home insurance coverage and what they cover. For example, comprehensive coverage pays for damage caused by fires, storms, and theft, while personal property coverage protects your belongings in case of a covered loss. By understanding the available coverages, you can ensure you're only paying for the coverage you need. Another way to lower your home insurance costs is to raise your deductible. Your deductible is the amount you would pay out of pocket in case of a covered claim, and presenting it can help lower your premium costs. Of course, you'll need to make sure that you have enough savings on hand to cover your deductible in the event of a loss. Finally, remember that discounts may be available. Many insurers offer discounts for things like having a security system or being claim-free for a certain period. Taking advantage of these discounts can lower your home insurance costs without sacrificing protection. Home insurance is a vital part of protecting your family and your belongings. By understanding this home insurance coverage, explained video, and the different types of coverage available, you can ensure that your home and everything in it is well protected. We hope this video has helped to explain home insurance coverage in detail and answered any questions you may have had. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.